So please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened, your seat back and tray tables in the full upright and locked position. Please leave your carry-on items stowed just where they are. You may now use your cell phone, but again, please remain seated and leave those carry-ons stowed. If you're connecting here to another Southwest flight, please go out to the terminal, check the TV monitors for your flight and gate information. If you are continuing on with us to Las Vegas, this is your aircraft. Please remain seated. Once all the local passengers have deplaned, Lisa will be coming from the back to get a through count. Once we have our count, she'll make an announcement, and at that time you can stretch your legs, use lavatories, and all that. However, please remember, this is going to be another completely full flight going to Vegas, so we need to make sure that the count is correct. So please remain seated. If this is your final destination, please go out, buckle up, drive safe. Have a wonderful weekend. Happy Easter to those that celebrate.